Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Comenity Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Comenity Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to d.comenity.net. It will then take you to the official website of Comenity Bank. Once the page has been loaded up, click to sign in on the top right corner. Then enter your username, then enter your password. To view your password, you can click to this show button here. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to access your Comenity Bank account. To make login easier for next time, click to remember me. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking to forgot username or password. And if you haven't registered your account to Comenity Bank, register your new account by clicking to register now. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.